Add and subtract. How to make a number. How do you make 1? Let's cross out the ones that are definitely not right. 10 plus 12, this will never make 1 because we're adding 12 more to 10. This might be the answer, but look, 10 plus 5, no, because we're adding 5 more to the 10. 10 minus 1, we're taking 9 from 10, which is 1. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7, so this is not the right answer. So 10 minus 1 makes 1. Awesome! How do you make 1? Again, let's take out all these plus signs because this will never make 1. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3, so this is not the right answer. 9 minus 8 equals 1, so this is the right answer. Super! How do you make 3? 7 plus 2 won't make 3 because we're adding 2 more to the 7. 7 plus 8 is not right also. 8 minus 2 is equal to 6, and 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So this is the right answer. 7 minus 4. Great job! How do you make 5? 6 plus 2 is 8. 11 minus 2 is equal to 11, 10, 9. 6 minus 1 is equal to 5. 6 plus 11 is equal to 17. So this makes 5. Correct. How do you make 12? 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 4 plus 8 is equal to, let me start with 8 and count on 4. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There it is. 4 plus 8 makes 12. Super! How do you make 9? Now let's see. 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 3 minus 0 is 3. 3 plus 6 is 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. So 3 plus 6 makes 9. Super! We have 4 more questions to go. How do you make 14? 3 plus 11, let me try. 1 plus 3 is 4, and let me bring the 1 down. 14! 3 plus 11 makes 14. That's right. How do you make 13? Now these are two small numbers because 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. And 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. 3 plus 10 is equal to 13. Let's click. Correct. How do you make 12? 11 plus 1. Oh, I think 11 plus 1 makes 12. Great job! Last question. How do you make 14? 4 minus 0 is 4. 0 plus 1 is 1. 4 plus 10 is equal to, I think this might be the right answer. 4, bring down the 1. 14, I found it. 4 plus 10 makes 14. That's right.